Right, we've got a algebraic equation to solve, and we've been asked to get the solution in the form a plus b root 2. This looks a little bit like a quadratic formula solution, but let's see what happens. The first job to do is to get these guys on the bottom off the bottom. We can do it either by multiplying the whole equation by x to lose this one, and then multiplying the whole equation by x plus 1, and thereby losing this one, or put them on a common denominator. Let me show you putting them on a common denominator. The denominator will be the multiplication of these two terms. Do you remember the bracket? Then the routine. X goes into the denominator x plus 1 times, minus x plus 1 goes into the denominator x times. Straight away this pair of x's cancel each other out. That just leaves 1 on the top here, and we cross multiply by x plus 1. So therefore 1 is equal to 4x plus 1. Well, that looks a lot nicer. Now we multiply this bracket out. So therefore 1 is equal to 4x squared plus 4x. I want all terms on one side. I might as well choose this side as the master side because these two are already here, and we've got a positive x squared term. So 4x squared plus 4x minus 1 is equal to 0. Given that the answer looks like a solution after you've used the quadratic formula, I'm going to jump straight to using the quadratic formula. Write down a table of a, b and c first. A is equal to 4, B is equal to 4, C is equal to negative 1. There's the quadratic formula, and now let's use it. So minus 4 plus or minus the square root 16 minus 4 times AC. So this is 4 times 4 times negative 1, so this will be plus 16 divided by 8. So this is equal to, splitting the denominator to divide the 4 and the square root, I get negative 4 over 8 plus or minus the square root of 32, also divided by 8. So 4 over 8 cancel to 1 over 2. So we get negative a half. Now a little bit of side work. We need to break this root 32 apart. 32 is 2 to the 5th. So I can say that the square root of 32 is equal to the square root of 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Effectively, you can imagine these are all separate root 2s. Root 2 times root 2 times root 2 times root 2. So this pair will pair up to be 2. Root 2 times root 2 is 2. And this pair will team up to be 2. So this is multiplied by another 2. And then the last root 2 won't pair up, so this has to remain as root 2. Happily, there's a root 2 in the answer. Okay, this is equal to 4 root 2. So transferring across here, this is plus or minus 4 root 2 divided by 8. Yet again, 4 goes into 8 2 times. So our answer is negative a half plus or minus, again a half, square root 2. We're told that a and b are fractions. So for absolute completeness, we can say that a is equal to negative a half and b is equal to a half. And of course, this is x equals. And that is the answer.